Objective: teaching our machine to make predictions about percentage of marks scored by students based on the number of hours they studied. Concept: linear regression. Disclaimer. Suppose you have made several observations on marks scored by a student when he or she studied for a specific period of time, and you show this data to your machine. How would the machine make use of this data for prediction? This can be done using linear regression. Regression analysis helps us to understand how the value of the dependent variable is changing corresponding to an independent variable. In this case, the dependent variable is scores, and the independent variable is hours. Following steps are performed by the machine while training. Step 1: plotting. Hours and scores are plotted on X and Y axes respectively. Step 2: line fitting. A line that best fits the plot is drawn. The equation of this line is prediction. This line represents the relationship between scores and hours, and it can be extended both ways to accommodate the desired range of values. If you now ask your machine how much you will score after studying for 9.25 hours, you will score 94% marks. Our machine can now help with improving students' academic performance with its predictions.
Code. First, we start by importing necessary libraries to work with: data loading and visualization. First, we load the data into a data frame. We can check the details of the data frame as shown. We can plot the data on a graph to visualize the relationship between hours and scores. We then separate the features and target in the data. And then we split these into train and test sets. We now perform linear regression and fit the model on train set. You can also visualize the regression line. Now that our model has been fitted, we make predictions on the test dataset. For evaluation of our model, we calculate the error between the predicted and the original values of y-test. The metric used is mean absolute error. The lower this error, the better the performance of the model. Now that our model is ready, we can make predictions by using it as shown.